So you guys, this is the final look. If you want to get this look, stay tuned, continue to watch this video. I'm gonna use the Contoursition notebook and use the shade Raven to set my eyes. So now I am going in with a big box of shades, 64 shades from the Crayon Case. I'm using East Felicia, and then I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here. Pretty much how pigmented that is. So I'm going to be cutting my crease with the P. Louise base in Roman 0. This white shimmer that's up here at the top, that white shimmer, I'm going to go in with that and put it right on top of that crease. So now I'm going to go in with glitter from the Luxury Club Beauty. So for lashes, I'm going to be using the Luxury Club Beauty in the style Double Trouble. Look how full the Luxury Club lashes are. Baby, go shop. face. So I'm going in with the Contoursition notebook, and I'm going to use Bobby and Raven. So for blush, I'm using the blush finder as usual, and I'm going on the first page, second row, first box. Set our face. Lips today, I'm gonna go in with the Bare liner from the Crayon Case. And we're going to go in with Private Party from the Crayon Case. So you guys, this is the bottom look. I am so in love with it. You know, like I have beads on the bottom. Kind of goes with my beads on my braids. You know I'm in love with glitter. And the bottom lashes, baby, these are it. These are the ones that you guys need to get. Go shop the Luxury Club right now and get these double trouble lashes that is 20 pair for $20. Go shop right now at the Luxury Club Beauty on Instagram. And also go shop and get your big box of 64 shades and your blush binder from the Crayon Case. Because baby, these is going to help you get this look. All three of these is the ingredients to get this look. So if you want to get this look, go shop and get it. Because baby, you need this to get this. Okay? Yeah, like, you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned to more makeup videos, hair and nail videos. And make sure that you comment down below if I should do more looks like this. Smash that like button if this is something that you love. Comment down below if you tried this look and DM me on Instagram at Kiara_beauty or your pictures if you retried this look. And we're just gonna peace out. Bye.